Hello guys, today we are going to install JDK 23 so we can open a browser and write JDK 23, then click in the first link, Java download, and select the JDK 23 for Windows. Then select 64 MCI installer and select the link. So wait to we need to wait to download the installer, and also we can install the IDE. I use IDE Intellij as IDE, so I write Intellij in the browser. So I select the first link. So after that we can choose the download button in order to install, in order to download the Intellij. So then I must select the Windows version, and if you have an email that ends with edu, you can access to 1 year for free, only for no commercial development. That's mean that you only will work for educational purpose. So install that, and after that we can integrate the Intellij with the JDK. So that's all for this session. Thank you.